Hello. I promised a better video of this sliding table, quote unquote in action. So I just wanted to make good on that promise. Here is a wideish panel that, I might have been able to cut on the table saw with the fence, but I certainly couldn't have cross-cut it before with the my miter gauge. So here's a demonstration of the table being used to cut this sort of wonky piece of particle board using the sliding table. Let me just get glasses. So there you go. There you go. Easy. Pretty uniform slice. And if I move it back, take a look at the edge. It's pretty darn square. I don't know if you can see that. But okay, thanks again.